guys, how's it going? Welcome back. So I am out with my Winchester M11 by Daisy. First time ever shooting, well, an all-metal gun with blowback like this anyways. I used to have PPKs and they're kind of small and lightweight, so not much of a kick, so this ought to be real interesting. So just shooting at 8 meters. I've paced it out. Target's down over there, and yeah, I normally suck with pistols, so we'll see how bad I really do suck anyways, but there won't be any kind of review on this pistol as far as how accurate it is until I've had some time with it, but I thought today would be fun for planking. A little bit of a light wind out here, but hopefully it doesn't disrupt us too much. So let's take this thing off safe and have some fun. Wow, that's got a kick.
That's loud. Woohoo!
The wind is interfering a little bit because I can just see the BBs. Just.
Gust, hold on.
Check and see how many shots I got left here. Oh, probably about 3. Okay, I'm going to go a little closer because I really suck bad apparently from what I can see. So go closer and see if I can hit the broadside of a barn here. That's it. Slides back. Wow, do I ever suck. Oh, I'm going to need some practice on this thing before I can give it a good review. Alright, let's zoom it in for you guys. Here, hold that. My wife's out here with me. So that should give you an indication of, well, between the wind and me sucking, I mean...
Oh, see that? See
yeah,
the trees?
Yeah, the wind is coming right up. So, yeah, I definitely am not going to knock the accuracy. I know it's an accurate gun from what I've seen on a lot of videos, but, you know, I do have to practice myself. But, you know, this thing does pack a heck of a kick wallop to it. So you do actually have to aim right below center, like starting out at the black, because when you fire it, she's going to kick. And it's going to kick right up on you. But I would say, considering my first time shooting a gun like this, that actually isn't bad. So I'm going to have to go reload this thing because I want to shoot the rest of the bottle off anyways. But thanks for watching, and stay tuned for hopefully a much better experience on my next shooting video. When it gets warmer out here, I'm going to do a chrony on the gun. It's too cold to chrony a gun today anyways. But shooting even at this distance is not a big deal in this temperature. And you know, the wind is kind of, it does actually throw the BBs off a bit, so they are very susceptible to wind. So, but anyways, catch you on the next one.